Because we are nearing to the last month of 2022, which is crazy to think about, meaning which is also the planner season. This is when one by one a planner is launched every other week. So obviously you are getting confused about how to know that which planner is perfect for me that I can actually use consistently. Well, I got you. So yes, in today's video we are going to discuss how you can choose a perfect planner for yourself. Hey, hello everyone, welcome to second episode of Planner Guide 2023. If you are new here, hey, I'm Saloni and this series is all about planners. So come join my awesome YouTube community now. Let's get started. So I know nowadays so many new planners are launching and sometimes we get overwhelmed to choose a perfect planner. So come sit with me, take a pen and a paper and note down all the important points and sections you want in your planner. So first of all, there are three main considerations when choosing a planner. So first, decide if you prefer a dated or undated planner. You can choose dated planner, but it can only be used for a specific year. Undated planners are easy to personalize around your work rhythm, plus you can skip days without wasting pages. Second, do you want hardbound or spiral bound planner? This point is also important because you are going to use this planner for a whole year, and if you do not feel comfortable using your planner, then 90% chances are you will give up on your planner in short time. Third, then consider what format would best suit you: daily, weekly or monthly. After deciding these three main considerations, now it's time to get deeper into planner hunting process. If you want to choose a best 2023 planner for yourself, then your 2022 planner is your best inspiration. So open your 2022 planner, observe it very carefully, see which section you have used and which pages you have skipped completely. Note down all that sections which helped you. This way you will get an idea which sections you want in your 2023 planner. So in order to move ahead towards a new planner, you need to know how your 2022 planner helped you or stopped you from being consistent with your planning journey. There must be some sections in your planner which you did not like at all and you don't want it in your 2023 planner. So definitely go ahead, look at those empty blank pages if you have in your planner, and if you have a particular section which you have used consistently, that means that is something that has helped you grow. So just reflect back and see what worked for you and what did not. Coming to an important point, which is budget. Of course, you need to set your budget to buy your planner. If you are a student, then you can choose under 1000 rupees planner, or you can set your budget about 2000 or 3000 rupees also. And if you have completely no budget, then you can go with DIY planner also. It's completely your choice. If you want to make a DIY planner, you will get the link of my DIY planner video in the description box, so check it out. Then decide which type of vibes you want from your planner. Like, do you want cute aesthetic looking planner, or do you want minimal planner, or you want more vibrant colors in your planner? So just take a look and see which planner is vibing with you. Moving on to the next point, which is must-have spreads. Because obviously you cannot find everything that you want in one particular planner. That is practically impossible. So what you can do is choose maximum 5 to 6 must-have spreads that you want in your 2023 planner. And as I said earlier, you can take help from your 2022 planner. Okay, so finally now you get a perfect picture of your planner. So keep all these things in your mind, and better if you note down all these things on a paper, so that whenever a new planner launch in the market, you can go on their website and check out all the details and see whether your must-have spreads are there or not. So keep all these things in your mind and be mindful while choosing your planner. Otherwise, you will end up overwhelming yourself, and I don't want that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and come join my YouTube family. Also share this Planner Guide 2023 series with your friends. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay happy, stay blessed, stay positive. Bye.